Hello friends, welcome to the camper van. Hey, I just wanted to show you this Auto-Vox. Want to know if I'd be interested in reviewing one of their wireless backup cameras. The thing about it, no wires, and it's solar, so it powers by itself and sends a signal through Wi-Fi. Let's see if this works. Let's dive into it. Okay, opening Auto-Vox. Making driving safe, smart, and easy. Extended warranty, 18 months. Solar powered wireless backup camera kit. Contents. Components, getting started, installation on your plate, operation, battery indicator, and so on. Alright, we got accessories. There it goes. Okay. Looks like the mounting bracket with some adhesive tape, USB, I'm presuming into camera, and our DC lighter plug-in. Peel that off. Okay, got it. And then this goes on the actual plate. So here's your camera, and the camera is supposed to move. Oh yeah, there it goes. Camera moves, and then this will be your solar. So it can power by itself, but hooks up right to the plates. Right where your plates lay, this hooks up right to it in front of it. Okay, we've got everything in front of us. Just show you the manual here. Backup camera with built-in battery. So that's this right here. The 5-inch monitor here. It's got a mount holder here. Car charger for power right here. Battery charging cable right here. US manual right here. And also gave me this little tool for mounting the bracket. And the bracket goes right, if you can see this, slides right in those holes like so. There we go. And you can see this a little better now that's on the bracket. But first we have to charge it as the manual tells us to. There it goes. Tight fit. Alright, then this is going to go into my power station. Alright. So we'll let that power up a little bit and we'll go from there.
Later that same evening.
Okay, I got everything hooked up here. Just have to add the monitor. There it goes. Okay, we are powered up. I got enough battery in here now. It's just a matter of pushing the button on the side. Let's push menu here. See the menu button. And this can just scroll. This would be your BC control, which would control lighting, brightness. And I'm just going to kind of leave it in the middle. And then this controls the backup angles when backing up. So that should be really helpful. Let's go to the next one. MU control. This will change the mirror to normal or upside down, however you have this bracket mounted. We'll deal with that later once we mount it. Reversing time, yes. 60, 90s, 120. I'm going to go with 120, I think, because it'll be a broader view. Yeah, okay. Let's go to the next one. Guideline. Yes, we want guideline on. We do have guideline on, so that was a factory default there. All right. Done with that. Now we just got to go mount it to the RV. Okay, we're out here by the camper van. We're going to set this up and put it on the license plate. Come on. So instead of covering up the license plate, you put it between, like so. And then you can match up the holes. Like that. So there we go. This is kind of looking at the sky. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, and this is kind of facing upward, so it's going to get that solar effect and stay charged. Let's go look and see what this looks like on film. Okay, we're here in the van. Got my mount, and I mean, you could pretty much mount this anywhere if you wanted to do that. That's totally up to you, but I don't know, I think mine's gonna live here. I might make a special mount for it or something. I haven't quite decided, but I just kind of want it out of the way. And you could use the suction cup on the window, but I like this that it doesn't have that. Gives you some more options. All right, let's turn it on. Gives you plenty of cable. That is for sure. So in the charger it goes. Let's see what happens here. Shows it's on. And there it is. Still might be a little high. I might lower it just a little bit, but there's my chair. And I want to use it as a test later. Let's try and park the van and see how well I can do with this. Yeah, here you go. Let's see if I can get straight to that. Stool. Let's see here. I'm liking that. Camper van is out there. Just wanted to show you the connection I have. I just have it powered by my EcoFlow, and I'm in the house. I'm surprised it's still showing a signal. I'm probably 75 feet from the camper. Wow, can you believe it? I'm impressed. No wires to run, wireless and solar. I'll do another review on it here in about 6 months, see how it's holding up, you know, with rain and everything. But this camera would be great for trailers. I've got a bike rack I can keep an eye on, and security, not just for backing up. But if you want to see more specs and discount pricing, check out the link below. I'll leave in the description. If the video helped you, give it a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do a lot of tech reviews and lots of camping. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Well, as you can see, it's kind of dark out. And it shows pretty good. It actually lightens up the back. The camera actually is lighter than what it is outside. It's actually pretty dark outside. So that's kind of cool. Going into campgrounds late at night, that'll be nice.